डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे लाइफ ऑफ बियरिंग एंड रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ द बियरिंग कि बियरिंग का लाइफ कैसे हम लोग मेजर करते हैं। दीज आर फ्यू ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द बियरिंग। बियरिंग कोई भी हो सकता है। देयर आर सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ रिवोल्यूशन और आवर्स, क्योंकि लाइफ ऑफ बियरिंग दोनों चीज में आप मेजर कर सकते हैं, नंबर ऑफ रिवोल्यूशन में भी और टाइम में भी। टाइम एट ए कांस्टेंट स्पीड which the bearing runs before the first evidence of fatigue develops in the material of one of the rings or any of the rolling elements. That means कि आपके पास यदि 100 बेयरिंग है तो 100 बेयरिंग एक साथ रन हो रहा है, तो किसी भी एक बेयरिंग में फटिक फर्स्ट टाइम क्रैक आएगा। दैट मीन्स दैट इज द लाइफ ऑफ द बियरिंग। उसमें 10% आगे चल करके आपको बताएंगे रेटिंग लाइफ number of revolution that 90% of the group of bearing will complete. दैट मीन्स कि 90% जैसे हमने बताया कि 5000 आरपीएम ये चलेगा, तो उसमें आपको यदि 90% बेयरिंग सक्सेस हो गया 5000 चलने में, देन इट इज कॉल्ड ऑफ गुड लाइफ कंप्लीट और एक्सिट बिफोर द फर्स्ट एविडेंस ऑफ फटिक। ओनली 10% of group of bearing fail due to fatigue. The term minimum life is also used to denote the rating life. That means कि जो मैक्सिमम ये हो सकता है दैट इज द 10% इज परमिशन। रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन लाइफ दैट इज द लाइफ 60 into n into LH. LH is the working hour, L is the total life, N is the revolution. Now consider a rolling contact bearing subjected to variable loads, because there may be so many bearing and each bearing have different loads on the bearing for successive N1 bearing, N2 bearing. Number of revolution, if the bearing is operated exclusively at the constant load W1, then its life L1 equal to C upon W1 to the power K into 10 to the power 6. Fraction of life consumed with load W1, that means कि total जो life था bearing का like 500 आवर, उसमें कितना निकल गया, तो N1 अपन L1 equal to N1 W1, just I have reversed it, W1 upon C to the power K into 1 upon 10 to the power 6. This is the dynamic load rating C, W is the load. Similarly, fraction for the W2 N2 upon L2 we can similarly find for various one. अब ये सबको जब इक्वेट करते हैं, that must be equal to 1. For this purpose I have just equated 1. Now all this denominator goes here, N1 W1 to the power K plus N2 W2 to the power K and so on equal to C to the power K into 10 to the power 6. If an equivalent constant load is acting for n number of revolution, then n equal to C upon W to the power K into 10 to the power 6. Now this is the calculation. N will be equal to summation of number of revolution of all bearing substituting the value, we find this formula. The above expression may also be written as W equal to L1, that is the total load. This is the life of bearing for first one, second one, third one, etc. Now come to the reliability of a bearing. As rating life is the life that 90% of the group of bearing, identical bearing should be, will complete or exceed before the first evidence of fatigue develops. जैसे किसी बेयरिंग का लाइफ आपको दिया गया 1 ईयर, 1 साल, तो उसमें से जितने भी बेयरिंग हैं ग्रुप ऑफ बेयरिंग में, उसमें 90% बेयरिंग 1 साल से ज्यादा चल गए, दैट इज जी, दैट मीन्स इट इज ऑफ गुड बेयरिंग। The because 10% is for the relaxation. The reliability is defined as the ratio of the number of bearing which have successfully completed L minion revolution to the total number of bearing under test. Sometimes it becomes necessary to select a bearing having a reliability of more than 90%. According to Abel, the relation between the bearing life and the log of 1 by r is the reliability equal to L upon A is the constant, again B is the constant. The value of constant is given here. Now, since 90% of the bearing have to exceed their normal life, L90, then final equation will be L upon L90, then we can find this value like this one, and hence we can find the either reliability or life, total life, or up to 90% when it will be exceed up to 90%. Selection of radial ball bearing. In order to select the most suitable ball bearing, first of all the basic dynamic radial load is to be calculated, then multiplied by the service factor to get the design basic dynamic load capacity. Then what do we see? These are the service factor for various condition. That means I have to see at what place the bearing has to be used. Accordingly, service factor will be chosen. Materials and manufacturing of a ball and roller bearing. Rolling element and the races are subjected to high local stress, varying magnitude with each revolution of the bearing. Therefore, the material of the rolling element should be of high quality. The balls are generally made of high carbon chromium steel. The material of both the balls and races are heat treated to give extra hardness and toughness. Lubrication, this is the last topic of the ball and roller bearing. To reduce friction and wear, we need the lubrication. To prevent rusting or corrosion of the bearing surface, lubrication is important. Lubrication also protects the bearing surface from water, dirt, etc. Lubricant also help to dissipate the heat generated inside the bearing. In general, oil or light grease is used for lubricating ball and roller bearing. Only pure mineral oil or a calcium based grease should be used. If there is a possibility of moisture contact, then potassium or sodium based grease may be used. आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आप चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें ताकि उनको भी उचित फायदा मिल सके और इसको आप बार बार देखें. सो योर कॉन्सेप्ट विल बी very much clear and you can get good score in your examination. Thank you.